Around 2 years ago, we journeyed into Kingston to accept a check of US $80,000 to do renovation work on our school plant.
Education is one of the priority areas of the official development assistance policy of Japan.
We are elated to report that this gift from the government of Japan, and by extension, the people of Japan, has provided more comfortable classrooms, no more leaky roofs, improved lighting, a canteen that now meets the standard requirements as stipulated by the Ministry of Health, water harvesting and storage that improve the basic hygiene practices of our students, the expansion of our bathroom facility.
And Ambassador, you and your country continues to support us, continue to inspire us. And once again, we assure you, sir, from my report, that you're getting strong ROI, you're getting strong returns on your investment.
The impact of this project on academics, I am proud to report, the performance of our students have increased by more than 20% in all subjects sat in the last GSAT.
See so many children pass to go to so many different high school now, you understand? The last term, children pass to go to also Monroe College, and I'm really proud of it.
We are really appreciative of the work that the Japanese have done.
In my time coming here, we have like pit latrines. So we have to go like the pit latrine, but like my kids, them now here. They have flush toilets, so they don't have to run out in the rain, no more to wet.
At first our toilets couldn't flush, and now they are going well.
And I'm happy for the new bathrooms. Now we have water and it's clean and it's better than how it was before.
It brings a great joy to know that the school has been uplifted, and you know, the buildings have been renovated.
The roof was leaking and they come on board and they help us to fix the roof.
It's really, really good. It's comfortable now, and the children, they have their own little time and thing where they can play and feeling safe and all of that.
By focusing on human security, it is Japan's aim that no one should be left out from the development process, and everyone should be protected and empowered to achieve sustainable development.